So this is my week 5 summary. I missed class on Tuesday due to illness. That's unfortunate because it was our biggest day of learning since we ended our circuit analysis stuff and we're taking our quizzes. Um, I did talk a little bit with some of my classmates and table mates about it. I know that we learned about semiconductors and diodes. I hope to expand my learning on that a little bit more when I can get to a point where I can converse with them more in depth about it at a later date. Um, Even though I wasn't there for the Arduino projects, I still went ahead and made them in Tinkercad. Made the Arduino 5 here. I also made the Arduino 6. Pretty straightforward. In my opinion, I feel like they pretty straightforward with this one. You turning the knob affects how the motor and the arm moves. And then for this one, the amount of light changes how this behaves. I don't really have any connections that I've made this week, primarily because I missed class. From my understanding, what one of my classmates said is that since I've taken chemistry, I kind of have a basic understanding of how the semiconductors that he talked about worked, with them having primarily be made of silicon and having a variance of 4. Pretty straightforward. I want to go into my neat resources that I found interesting. This one posted by Michael, I believe, was talking about OBS. I originally was going to use OBS for my screencasting, but my computer did not want to run OBS correctly and it kept crashing. So I had to go to another screencasting program, which I found, Screencastify, which is just primarily a plugin that runs off of Chrome. This was another one that pretty much just gave a basic insight into reasons why one should screencast, why it would be a benefit to them, and then giving some quick things on how to pre-game for the recording. And this one posted by Vu pretty much just gave some listing of some free screencasting opportunities and how one could host them, whether it be on YouTube or Vimeo. I feel kind of left out, primarily due to illness. I was kind of unfortunate that I was missing class, but I hope to meet up with some classmates and talk about what we covered in class in order so I don't fall too far behind. Thank you.